Take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 6.2-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 7,300 pounds. 3311 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, engine, Vortex 6.2L variable valve timing speed E85 compatible, flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, max trailering pack, skid plate package, interior plus package, convenience package and the license plate bracket, front. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.